On number 69, we want to take a equals 3, b equals negative 3, and c equals 3 and plug them into this blue formula below. Now, hopefully you recognize what that is. That's the quadratic formula, where instead of just having a plus or minus, we just have a plus. This is something when we talk about quadratics later we're going to be doing a lot, so we want good practice with it. So if we plug all this in, negative 3 plus the square root of negative 3 squared minus 4 times 3 times 3, all over 2 times 3. If I simplify here, negative 3 is positive 3. There's the plus there. Negative 3 squared is 9. Minus 4 times 3 would be a positive 36. All over 6. Put this up a little bit. Alright, 9 minus 36 is negative 27. Because I have a negative under the square root, remember I can break that up into the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 27. And the reason why I do that is because the square root of negative 1 is I. So I have 3 plus I times the square root of 27 over 6. Now, square root of 27 is something we can simplify. Let's review how to do that. 27, if I make a factor tree, 3 and 9, 3 and 3. So these are my prime numbers. I can take out the pair of 3's right here. So I would have 3 plus 3 root 3 I over 6. Now what I can do is I can factor a 3 out of the top, 1 plus root 3i, and I can cancel 1 and 2. So this is 1 plus root 3i over 2. And if I divide, like I did in my notes, this is 1/2 plus root 3 over 2